Hi there, friends. Welcome to INSPIRO, your cozy visual cafe providing a quick dose of daily inspiration. Take a coffee or tea, take one big breath, and let's talk about something that really matters. And as always, we are sitting in this beautiful cafe, looking around, and you will hear some background noises, so I apologize for that, but we really want to make it real for you. We want you to feel the cozy feeling of sitting in the cafe and listening to this episode together with all these beautiful people around. So let's start. Today is an espresso episode. 5 minutes, one idea, one small thing you can try tonight, or in this case, tomorrow morning. Today's episode called Win the Morning, Lose the Connection. Because I learned something very simple and powerful this week. Speed without connection creates drama. Imagine that. Thursday, 7 a.m., we're on the second floor, going down to the exit, and honestly, my son today did everything right. He followed all the routines. He took a bath, took a cold shower, put his clothes on, did the morning exercises, at breakfast. So he earned some spare time, and he asked me if he can draw. And I said, of course, you can draw. You have 5 minutes. You know how it works. So he sits and draws, and it's just not a small doodle that he draws. He draws something very big. For him, it's very big. And he's in that deep focus mode, very deep. And then I step close after 5 minutes and say, direct and fast, because I think about efficiency. And I tell him, we must go now. Stop drawing and let's go. And immediately his body starts trembling. He makes sounds, he shakes, and he looks at me and says, Father, you're pushing me. And at that moment, I know it's not about drawing. He's overwhelmed. But at the same time, in my head, the clock is ticking. So I'm trying to push him further, and we go down the stairs, and I feel two things. First, I'm irritated because we can't be late. And I'm very sad because it's so hard for him to handle these changes and big feelings. Near the first floor, close to the exit, I say something that most of us would say, us parents would say, and it's very logical. I tell him, we could come on time, and you're using all the time we had to spare on stressing and shaking, because I wanted efficiency, right? But it doesn't help. It only adds more stress, more pressure on him. Now it's a turning point. I'm close to losing my temper, and I make a small choice. I changed my goal. My goal now is not leave now and leave as fast as possible. My goal is to restore connection, then move. I soften my voice. I take his hand and I say, son, I love you a lot. And then I tell him, I'm really, really sorry for my behavior, that you feel so much pressure from me. And then he gives me a big hug, a real big hug. And when he hugged me, I understood the connection is back. Then we move again, step by step. We come on time. And near the school, he tells me that he doesn't want me to follow him all the way because he doesn't want to look like a small kid, So I let him go, the last minute alone, because love is also dignity. Friday morning was totally different. Same house, same time, but I tried one different move early. I looked at him and said, son, today we will make it. Are you with me? And he said, yes, Father, I'm with you. And the whole energy changed. He did everything. He came on time, even early. He walked almost all the way by himself. We were happy and smiling to each other. This is my lesson. Speed without connection creates drama. So here's the tiny action you can try tomorrow. I call it the doorway reset. It's 10 seconds. Step 1, join, connection. Say, hi, I see you. Stopping is hard. Step 2, set, clear boundary, tiny choice. We are leaving now. You choose one last line, or we take a photo and save it. Step 3, move. One calm body cue. Breath with me, one breath. Okay? Now shoes. So that's it. Join, set, move. And if your kid says, you're pushing me, you can answer with one line that keeps dignity. I'm not against you. I'm with you. Let's do this together. So that's me. Thank you for joining me here at INSPIRO, your cozy virtual cafe for this 5 minutes espresso episode to bring you a quick dose of daily inspiration. And one last thing. Remember to smile. because when you smile, the world smiles back. Have a beautiful day. Live a life filled with inspiration. Bye for now.